Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold, vlog 99. We are on our way to Silverlake to fix an iPhone SE. That's the small edition of the newest edition of 5 series, which is the tiny one. It's the newest one. It has a 6S engine. So we're gonna fix that screen right now. It was a Yelp customer that found us on Yelp. The price was right because she shopped somewhere else and they gave her like a $20 upsell. So she wanted us to go there and fix her phone around after before she's off work. So we're on our way, and we should be there in like 6 minutes, and we are 6 minutes away. So we'll see you guys soon in there. When I'm there, we're going to this place called the Dust Muffin. I think it's like a restaurant or like a cafe. So we'll see when we find out. We'll get there when we find out. So we'll keep you posted and tell you how it goes down, and you'll see yourself. So stay tuned for some action coming your way. And this Phon-Er Gold, vlog 99. We'll be right back. Peace. Cut.
You sure about 50?
Yeah, because I want to help you out because I feel better that way.
Thank you.
Great. Beautiful. I'll take one of your cards too in case I have one coming. Okay. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And if you ever need to buy gifts,
Oh, definitely.
come see me. I'm here on Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, and I'll help you out.
Thank you so much.
Cool. Okay.
Okay, now you have a phone, and now you don't have to have a second thought.
I do.
Okay guys, that's about it. Everything is good. Everything worked out. She was happy. And this is the vlog 99. Thank you for watching. We'll see you back with good motherfucker coming your way. Peace.